All right, we got a calm before the storm really kicks in. So we're going on a walk. Starting to get a little messy out, but it's really not impacting us too much right now, or probably at all.
Looks beautiful out.
What? What do you got? Choo-choo! Look at that big brother. Doing big brother tings. Say big brother tings.
Big brother tings.
Sleepy baby. It's just a little bit windy. We're going to link up with a couple friends who live on the other side of our complex. Over in the distance there. He's a Mets fan and I'm a Phillies fan, but we still get along.
You're not gonna knock your hat off. Let's go Mets.
What's up, brother? Hey, boys.
I think a storm's a-coming. What's Lonnie think? She's a good lady.
She's digging it.
That breeze feels good.
Yeah. Beautiful here.
Florida fall.
Yeah, Florida fall, baby. Look at the rotation. It's just the outer bands.
I started it all with a green or a skip or a
Hurricane
wild.
Uno! Yeah.
A green or a skip or a wild.
Okay. Hey, no peeking.
I know. My turn. Pick 4!
Oh, no.
My rule is, if you have a yellow, you have to go get a banana and eat it.
What? Are you kidding me?
Because it's yellow.
What?
That's my rule. Wait. I love this rule.
Banana.
And that was funny.
I can eat it at normal speed though?
Yeah.
I don't have to eat it fast or anything? Okay.
Well, no, you do have to. Wait. Wait. I love this.
If you... Sure, if you play a red, you have to pretend to be a snake and the color's red.
Winner chicken dinner.
What? You had a red? How do I know? Now you gotta pretend to be a snake. Oh. What are you?
Snake.
A Slytherin snake?
Yeah. Go do another round, please. Go please do another round.
How about we'll say see you soon. See you soon.
All right, welcome to homeschooling hurricane edition.
Yeah. Let's see what the alien has to say. I see rain.
You like the rain?
Yeah. Oh.
What do you think?
Look at the way!
Oh my god. That was loud. Not too bad. Thinking about everybody who's getting the direct impacts, for
There
sure.
is no way. Time for Mario Party! Yeah! Wahoo! Come on. Time for Mario Party! This is me, this is Daddy, and this is my mom, and this is a virtual person.
Luigi!
Daisy.
It's Mario! Wahoo! Let's play this game. Jack!
Who's gonna be the winner? Oh, Luigi got extra star. That's me! Oh god. Another bonus.
With me.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Rosalina, that's the computer.
The computer.
Who's gonna be the winner?
Please be me. Don't hit me with your stinking apple.
Oh, it's between Daddy and Leo and Mario. Leo, man. Oh. Okay. All right, take it. All right.
Hello. We hope you enjoyed following along our adventure today, hanging out with our family. We feel just very blessed that we've been safe all day and will be safe all night. Just that we got to spend this day together.
Yeah, we don't get a lot of days off together right now with the newborn here and everything. Daddy's been working a little bit extra, and we got a chance day to be all together today. We wanted to kind of show everybody a glimpse into what that looks like. And while we're so grateful that, you know, we're not getting a direct impact and we had this day together, this thing just got declared as a Category 4 as it approaches the Tallahassee, Big Bend area. And, you know, we just want to say that everybody there is in our thoughts and prayers, and we just hope that everybody can recover and be safe here, you know. All right, well, hopefully the next video is a little bit
Sunny and
sunnier throughout, and
sending love, prayers, and peace. Say bye.
peace and love.